Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Paytm app and navigating straight to Wallet and Loans. Locate the exact personal loan application. Once found, note the application ID and timestamp because support will ask. You should also have the registered mobile and basic KYC details ready and keep the loan offer screen visible. Doing this speeds verification, so make sure to stay on the same account. If you started from a web link, switch to the app for fastest processing, and then proceed to contact options. You next tap Help and choose Chat or Call Support. Explain you want to cancel the personal loan application. Provide the application ID, registered mobile number, and a concise reason for cancellation so they can locate the file quickly. Once they confirm your identity, request a reference number and an approximate timeline, hours or days, so you can follow up. If the agent asks for documents, send clear photos immediately. Make sure to record agent name and time. This prevents delays later. You finish by confirming cancellation. Wait for a chat message or email with the reference and updated application status in the app. Once done, verify there is no dispersal or pending charge. If the application still shows active after the promised timeline, escalate with the reference number via email or the app grievance form. If funds were dispersed accidentally, ask for immediate repayment or settlement instructions and a hold on debit. Troubleshooting tip: keep all screenshots and timestamps. They are your proof if disputes arise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.